Every major AI product you use probably runs on one of these 10 models, and none of them are the ones you've seen in headlines. In 10th place, Google's T5 Small with 26.8 million downloads. Released in 2019, T5 was the first model to treat every NLP task translation, summarization, classification as a single text-to-text problem. Feed it text, get text back. At 60 million parameters, it's ancient by AI standards, but researchers and startups still fine-tune it constantly because the simplicity of the interface makes it easy to adapt to almost anything. 9th, Alibaba's Qwen 3.0. 6B, pulling 27.3 million downloads. This one is different from the others on this list. It's a generative language model, the same kind that powers chatbots, squeezed down to just 600 million parameters, small enough to run on a phone, capable enough to follow instructions and handle basic reasoning tasks. Its quality comes from distillation. A much larger Qwen 3 model was used to teach this tiny one how to think. 8th with 32 million downloads, all MPN NetBase v2. This is a sentence embedding model. It converts any piece of text into a fixed size vector of numbers that represents its meaning. Two similar sentences get similar vectors. Two unrelated ones get very different ones. Built on Microsoft's MPNet architecture, it held top spots on semantic similarity benchmarks for years and still powers search systems that understand what you're looking for rather than just matching your keywords. 7th, BAI's BGEM3. At 34.8 million downloads, BGEM3 stands for multilingual, multifunctionality, multi-granularity, and it delivers all three from a single model. It supports dense vector retrieval, sparse keyword retrieval, and Colbert-style multi-vector matching in over 100 languages. For teams building multilingual search or RAG pipelines, this one checkpoint replaces what used to require 3 separate models. 6th with 50.3 million downloads, the Paraphrase Multilingual MinLM L12 v2. Long name, clean use case. Take a sentence in any of 50+ languages, convert it to a vector. Do the same for a sentence in a completely different language. Compare the two vectors, and you know if the sentences mean the same thing across language barriers. That makes it the backbone of cross-lingual semantic search and multilingual NLP pipelines worldwide. In 5th, Google's Electra-based discriminator at 52 million downloads. Electra was Google's answer to the inefficiency in BERT's training. Instead of predicting randomly masked tokens, Electra learns to spot tokens that have been swapped in by a generator network, a much harder task that forces the model to understand context deeply. The result is 4 times the compute efficiency of BERT for equivalent performance, making it the preferred backbone when training cost is a real constraint. 4th place, BAI's BG Small in v1. 5, at 66.7 million downloads. Just 33 million parameters, tiny by any measure. Yet it consistently outperforms much larger models on the MTE-EB embedding benchmark. When you're deploying semantic search in a production environment where memory, latency, or cloud cost is a real concern, this is the embedding model that usually wins the trade-off. Small but remarkably sharp. 3rd place with 75.4 million downloads, BERT Base Uncased. Google published BERT in late 2018 and it changed NLP overnight. The idea was simple: pre-train a transformer on a massive text corpus using masked language modeling, then fine-tune it on any downstream task with minimal additional data. That recipe became the foundation of modern NLP. Nearly a decade later, BERT still pulls 75 million downloads a month. It remains the standard baseline for text classification, named entity recognition, and question answering. Runner-up with 85.1 million downloads, the cross-encoder MS Marco MinLM L6 v2. This is a re-ranking model trained on Microsoft's MS Marco passage retrieval dataset, and its job is different from the embedding models on this list. It doesn't retrieve, it judges. You run it as a second pass after fast retrieval. A by-encoder finds the top 50 or 100 candidates. Then this cross-encoder rescores each one for true relevance and reorders them. In production RAG systems where answer quality is non-negotiable, this re-ranking step is often the difference between a good system and a great one, and the winner by a massive margin. Sentence Transformers All-MinLM L6 V2, with 253 million downloads in 30 days. 22 million parameters. 384-dimensional output. Runs in milliseconds on a CPU. It converts any sentence into a compact embedding fast enough for real-time use, and it became the default in LangChain, LaMaindex, ChromeDB, Weaviate, and essentially every RAG tutorial written in the last 2 years. Not the most accurate embedding model available, but the best balance of speed, size, and quality for developers who need to go from zero to working semantic search in an afternoon. Every AI product you use, code search, customer support, document retrieval is built on invisible infrastructure like these models. The chatbots get the headlines. These get the downloads. Which one are you running in production? Drop it in the comments.